In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube playlists. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my videos and you get value from the content that you watch, kindly consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends so that we can all learn together. So I'm inside YouTube, and maybe just for the purposes of this video, why would you want to create YouTube playlist? The reason number one is to organize videos that potentially you want to watch later, or maybe videos that you'd like to categorize so that you can follow in order if you're trying to learn something. That is maybe a video from different creators and you want to watch the videos in a particular sequence. So you can organize the videos that you want to watch. If you're the owner of the videos, then you want to organize your videos in a way that it is going to boost the watch time for your videos, that get you more views and get you more watch time, and also session time. So those are just some few importances, and I'll show you a couple of ways you can do this. So let's say I'm inside the default YouTube page here. Let's say I want to save this as a playlist, this video from Valandes, or maybe let's say Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels. So you can first of all start off by the three vertical dots here. Just click on that and then click on Save to Playlist. Once you click on Save to Playlist, you're going to get the option to save to whatever playlist that you want. Different playlists that you've created will appear here. If you wanted to create a new playlist, you can just click on that and then enter playlist name, and then you can set the privacy, and then once you're satisfied, you can click on create. Alternatively, if you're watching a video, let's just open up this video, pause it. If you're watching a video, then the alternative method is just clicking on the save button here. Just click on it and you'll get the option to save to a playlist that you have or create a new playlist. So those are two methods that you can do it from the YouTube page and also when you're watching a video. Now, what if you want to save or create a playlist when you're uploading your own videos? Let's look at that. So I have this video that I'm uploading at the moment. It's on how to crop or put a picture or image in a shape using Canva. So the simplest way to do that is just scroll down slightly and you'll see the section called playlist. So you can add your video to one or more playlists, and this is very good. And playlists help viewers discover your content faster, especially if the playlists have the how-tos. For example, if this tutorial or playlist is a Canva playlist that I'm working with, then this will help boost or help people discover my videos. So let's say I click on that. Let's say this particular video wasn't associated with any playlist. Then I would come down here and click on new playlist and then add a title and then set the visibility of the playlist and then create. But let's just leave it at the how to tutorials playlist that I've created and click on that. So that's method one inside the YouTube studio. And then method number two is once you're inside the YouTube studio, you can come to the left, click on playlists, and once you click on playlist, you can come to the new playlist, click on that, and then you can just add a title, whatever title, new playlist. And it's always good if you can do optimized playlist. For example, the video I just demonstrated, like Canva tutorials, that is a good name. Maybe somebody is searching for Canva tutorials. This will help viewers discover your videos, and then you can make it public. Let's just click on create for this single one. Something else that you can do once you do this is that you can always add a description. Descriptions will help your playlist rank for whatever you want. So you can just come in here and then say, in this series of videos of Canva tutorials will be looking at what type of graphic content you can create with Canva. you have up to 500 characters. So there's a space there. You have up to 5,000 characters to write your description. So use it wisely. And then once you start adding videos to your playlist, then you can order them in the way that you want them to appear. So once you're satisfied, you can just click on save, etc. If you wanted to make any changes to the title, you can always edit that. So that's good. So we have that, and that is how you can create YouTube playlist inside the homepage, YouTube homepage, or when you're searching for videos. Number 2, when you're watching a video. Number 3, when you're uploading a video. And number 4, from the YouTube playlist, channel playlist section. So it's pretty easy and super fast. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video has been of value. Kindly share it, like it, and let us all learn together. Thanks for watching this video.